Hello and welcome to another episode of DUK series of Dissect. If you have not already subscribed, then click that subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get all updates. This video is about tennis. Tennis is a universal sport. Even aliens play it. No, just kidding. It is among the top 7 sports of all countries, and the top 100 players belong to 40 countries and is among the top 10 most watched events globally. Just for comparison, despite cricket being equivalent of a religion in India and many other countries, it does not feature in 7 sports list. Only 10 countries participate in the Cricket World Cup 2019. All said, India has produced quite a few players over the years who have made their mark in the international tennis scene. If we talk about money involved, world's highest paid male and female athletes are tennis players. Ever wonder how did the game of tennis start? It has originated from 11th century game called Jeu de Paume. It means game of palm. So it was played by hands until 16th century when racket was invented. It became very famous in Britain and France. Tennis word has come from French word called tennis, which means here it comes. Major Walter Clapton Wingfield, a Welsh inventor and a British Army officer, was pioneer and founder of modern lawn tennis. The first Wimbledon tournament was played in 1877. First Grand Slam was in 1930 and is included in the Olympics since 1988. Tennis was part of Olympics from 1896 to 1924 as well, but was discontinued until 1988. Can you guess who the greatest tennis player in history is? Who has won the most Grand Slams? Nope, it's not Roger Federer, not Williams sisters, not Nadal, not Steffi Graf, not Djokovic. She is Margaret Smith Court, an Australian tennis player and former world number 1. She has won 24 titles out of the 29 that she played.
Margaret Court and Rosie Casals going against each other for the women's title. Court going for that second Grand Slam in women's tennis history. It was wide of the line. Margaret Court has won the Grand Slam.
Modern tennis is played in multiple formats. There are different courts which behave in different way and give a unique feel to the whole game. There are 3 main categories of courts: a clay court, hard court and grass court. A clay court is slowest among the 3 categories. Roland Garros of French Open is played on clay court made of clay and brick dust. Nadal is the king of clay court. He has total 19 Grand Slam wins, of which 11 are on clay court. Hard court is faster than clay court. US Open and Australian Open are played on hard court made of synthetic material. Novak Djokovic, on the other hand, is master of hard court. He has total 17 Grand Slam wins, of which 11 are on hard courts. A grass court is faster court of all. Wimbledon is played over grass court, and Federer and Serena Williams are clear winners on grass courts with 8 titles. Stay tuned for another episode of DUK series. Let us know what you think about the DUK tennis video in the comment section below. If you like this video, then click on the like button and share it with your friends. In case you have still not subscribed our channel, then do subscribe and hit on the bell icon. Bye bye.